Did you know that Dogecoin is the second most profitable coin to mine in the world? Second only to Bitcoin. Yeah, like Dogecoin, a joke cryptocurrency that was basically started to make fun of Bitcoin, has become, I wouldn't say exactly a Bitcoin competitor, but a very lucrative endeavor for Doge miners, as well as for Dogecoin holders, depending on the market and where things go, whatever. This isn't a price speculation video. This is about how to earn $23 per day mining a coin that has the best dog breed on it, the Shiba Inu, the Doge. Let me know down in the comments if you're mining Doge. Yes, no, with what, why? Screenshot it, throw it on our forum VoskCoin talk, and be entered in a giveaway to earn some free Dogecoin. I love crypto. I love mining. It excites me. Not financial advice. I'm not showing you anything. I don't care what you do. I'm a full-time crypto miner and I'm building out the farm to really support my living, right? And so I do all this research all the time, and then we translate it into content here on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. So I hope you like it. I hope you stick around. I hope you subscribe. So at first glance, you look at profitability calculators for miners, right? You see L7's topping the chart. They've got all these different models, incredibly annoying, but they are all pretty profitable. So let's kind of take a step back for a second if you're not familiar. We're dealing with ASIC miners. It's an application-specific integrated circuit miner. It's a purpose-built machine. These are custom computers. All they do is mine one specific mining algorithm. There's different models, etc., right? So we're looking at Scrypt ASIC miners, all right? Scrypt is the mining algorithm for Dogecoin and Litecoin. They're merge mined. You mine both of these coins at the same time. You used to buy Litecoin miners, and then you got some Doge along the way. Now, Dogecoin makes up the majority of the mining profitability, and you collect some of these Litecoins along the way. It's funny how things change over time, isn't it? So, if you're totally new, we got how to set up an ASIC miner video, an electricity guide to do this in your house, do it safe, do it fun, do it efficient, right? Save money, protect yourself, your loved ones, all that stuff. So, the miner in question here, I'm going to show you a couple of different routes, but the main one, the cash cow, is the Bitmain Antminer L7. This miner has been out for a while now. It came out, it was released in 2021, and most of the shipments didn't hit until early 2022. But the fact is that this thing has been very profitable and a leader in its mining segment since then. That means this is the most efficient Dogecoin miner you can buy in the world right now. This is the best, this is the most profitable. If it's the best for Dogecoin, it's also the best for Litecoin. It's that simple. So over the next year, this thing will be projected to mine $8,520. You plug in an Ethernet cable, a power cable, and you sync it up with your Dogecoin and Litecoin address. Bam, making money, earning coins, passive income. No maintenance really needed. It's an easy thing to do. But don't forget you got an electricity bill. So these numbers are ran at 10 cents per kilowatt hour. So you look at this, right? And at 10 cents, it's going to cost me $8.22 a day, $250 a month, $3,000 a year, which is rearranging our figures. Basically, at that rate, you'd be bringing home over $15 a day projected. Another mining profitability calculator at that same electric rate says that you'd only be mining $22 a day, and it would still cost you $8.22 to run. So you would be putting about 14 bucks of Litecoin and Dogecoin in your pocket. I like the way DX Pool breaks down LTC and Doge on here, and I find DX Pool to be a good mining pool. I've got a lot of my miners on there. They do have a referral link, so that's down in the video description below if you want to support the channel, but I bring it up because it's a good option, not because I'm trying to get you clicks or whatever. But I like the way that they break it down. Instead of just showing dollars, we see what coins. We get an idea of like, okay, I buy this, I should try to hope to get 200 Doge a day, 190 Doge a day. And if you're a believer, you think Doge is going to go to $1 a coin, well, in retrospect, this could be, you know, forget the Litecoin, boring. We could be getting $192 a day in retrospect. Some people laugh, some people say it's hopium, whatever else. Yeah, well, guess what? I was a Dogecoin fanatic, okay? Then I was a Dogecoin hater, and then I was Dogecoin humbled. All right, so right now Doge is trading at about 7 cents, okay? Far cry from $1. Yes, down 89, really 90% from its all-time high, but its all-time high is 73 cents. So, all right, whatever. We don't even need to target $1, a new all-time high. Let's say it just climbs towards an all-time high. It hits 50 cents a coin. Okay. That equates, if you hold most or all of these coins, right? About $100 a day. Okay. A fun way to think about these miners, because they do have this very unique aspect of basically dual mining coins. Sell your Litecoin to pay the electricity bill, and then hodl the Doge. Or vice versa if you're an LTC believer. Doge is the 8th biggest cryptocurrency when ranked by CoinMarketCap. Crazy, right? Litecoin is number 17. The market cap here is about $5 billion for LTC current prices, and Doge maintains a market cap of freaking $10 billion. Yeah, so don't just call it a joke cryptocurrency. Either all crypto's a joke, haters would laugh and chime in on that one and say, yep. Or, you know, it's a powerful currency that is especially made popular by its high supply count. Human psychology says, I want a lot of coins and I hope that they go to $1. That's just basically what it is. It's boring to buy 0.0001 Bitcoin, but it is exciting to buy 250 Dogecoin, even though those values are small. So let's get back to the miner focus. Bitmain makes the best Dogecoin miner you can buy right now. And again, I'm going to go over some alternatives here in a second, but let's kind of stay mission focused here. So we go to the Bitmain official site. If you want to order from here, it's kind of a pain. You have to KYC, you know, you have to submit your ID among other things, and also still pay with cryptocurrency. So they've got their miners, and they've actually recently listed more parts here on their site and power supplies. But the takeaway, right, is that where's the Antminer L7? Where's the Dogecoin? All these say BTC. And before we find exactly where this is, one thing caught my eye as I was looking around for miner prices, you know, prepping this video. So they're selling this at $6,164. So Coin Mining Central, full disclaimer, right? We have an affiliate link and we have a coupon code to get, so you get a discount on your purchase, which bring it down from this price point. But you know, we work with them. They help us source miners, stuff like that, right? And so they're also selling the S19 XP, and they're selling it for almost $700 less than Bitmain is selling it for. And that's pretty cool. And look, they're a reseller, so sometimes their prices are higher, but sometimes they're also lower too. So just saying, that's the segue here, right? That because we have to click show sold out products on Bitmain, and then the Litecoin miner, they still list it like that. The L7, the Bitmain Antminer L7 pops up. And so this miner was supposed to be in stock, sold out, and they all shipped whatever else. And they haven't put a new batch up too recently of these miners. So at the price of $9,500, you could have got one shipped to you. And this specifically is the version that mined at 9,050 mega hash a second. So it's not this breadwinner right here, it's this model. So it's a worse miner that they sold at a same or similar price that they sold the better, more powerful ones for. But yeah, you can't get it. So one comment is, well, it's annoying that resellers buy all these and then, you know, you have to buy from them. But they aren't buying all of the stock, especially in this market, but they are buying some of the stock. So Coin Mining Central does have these, right? And so for just a couple $100 more, you get that real-time availability. Again, I'm not trying to shill it or push it. I'm just trying to give you an option. There are other ASIC miner resellers out there, but many of them are a scam. We're investigating some of these other ones and seeing if we can find some trustworthy alternatives, but it's very difficult to recommend an ASIC miner reseller because most of them are scammers, or they're just not ready for this type of business and they go bankrupt and belly up, which pretty much ends up with people being rug pulled and scammed all in the same way. So to round out that piece of the information, pretty much for $10,000, a lot of money, no doubt about it. You could mine about 200 Dogecoin a day. If it hits a new all-time high in retrospect, it'd be crazy profitable. Even at today's rates and a 10 cent per kilowatt hour electric rate, these miners, again, pooling at 10 cents, depending on which one you have, make it between $15, $16, and $13, $14 after you pay the electric bill. That's a lot of money, right? You're making thousands of dollars a year doing nothing. So you get these, you pay them off, and you're in for a good time. The worry with ASIC miners, though, are that they make a new model that's severely better than yours, and it kind of outclasses yours and makes yours inefficient and thus not that profitable. But on the flip side, the benefit of this is that ASIC mining is an arms race, and these are very advanced machines, and Dogecoin has been ASIC mined for over half a decade. You put that into perspective, these are pretty advanced machines, and yeah, we may see a new model, but I don't think it's going to be leaps and bounds better than the L7. Yes, it could reduce its mining profitability, of course, but I don't think it's going to make it simply unprofitable. But yeah, it's $10,000. So we reviewed the L7. It's a workhorse. It's a good machine. Bitmain is a bad company that makes good miners generally. That's the quick way to sum that one up. So good experience on that front. But there are some alternatives, but they're not all that profitable with the market we're dealing with. Keep in mind, we're in a bear market. Prices aren't all that high. So looking at some of these alternatives at a 10 cent per kilowatt hour electric rate, the LT6, right, after you pay your bill at 10 cents, you're making 67 cents. The LT Lite, 56 cents. The A6 plus LTC Master, which is a very old miner. To put this into perspective, how good this was, like in retrospect. Taking this data March 2019, still profitable, not in the red. Then the LT5 from Gold Shell, making a whopping 12 cents. And then you get down to the mini miners where you lose a couple cents a day. But that could be a fun way to basically buy in every day, and you're basically breaking even. Like if you have a miner and you break even every day, you pretty much just have an automatic DCA machine in, and instead of paying an exchange fee and whatever else, you're just paying the electricity bill. And remember, consult a professional, but if you operate as a business, you could be expensing these machines, tax write-offs, things like that can make mining much more beneficial when you operate that way improperly, and just provide a lot of benefits, especially a way to diversify your crypto investments, endeavor, and just your portfolio, period. And plus, nothing is cooler than having your own little robotic employees. And so, yeah, whether you love or hate Doge, it's not going away. The fun joke cryptocurrency, you know, they're talking about doing some things, this and that. They continue to get support here and there from the one and only, whether you love him or hate him, Elon Musk. Right, and another thing to keep in mind is that Litecoin's been doing decent, right? They're up 6% in the last 30 days, and you're like, dude, that's nothing, right? Well, let's look at Dogecoin. It's down 6% in the last 30 days, and a lot of coins in the last 30 days aren't doing all that great. Furthermore, when you zoom out, you look at the last 90 days, Litecoin was trading at about 54 bucks, 52 bucks a coin, going down towards 50 bucks a coin, and now it's trading at $65 a coin, and it was up higher before just the market took another dippity dip, trading at a high here of over $80. That's pretty good price movement in this market, and especially for a cryptocurrency that I, among many others, consider boring. So that's the scoop. My name is Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel, and it's Tails Gotcha Day. Cutest pup in the world in the game. That's going to be Tails Vosk, our resident Dogecoin and Shiba Inu. I consider all of this stuff faded, right, if you will. I adopted this beautiful pup as my lovely daughter before I got into cryptocurrency, unaware of Dogecoin. I've seen some Doge memes, but I had wanted a Shiba Inu well before that. I love their pointed ears. They're notorious for being a very intelligent breed. Nothing personal. I don't care for dumb dogs. I like smart dogs. It's fun. Just huge personality. When she's grumpy, she huffs at us and sighs. And, you know, she'll just express her frustration in many ways. When she's excited and happy, you know, she puts her ears back. It's so obvious. among many other things. She's high energy. They shed a lot. You know, if you're a dog person, you absolutely love dogs, and you treat them like a family member, like your daughter, right? Add it to the pack. Shiba Inu's for you. If you aren't like that, Shiba Inu is not for you. So don't have to go clout chasing and getting a Doge. You're doing yourself a disservice, and much more importantly, you're doing that animal a disservice. Because you can do whatever you want. They don't have that same level of freedom. My name is Vosk, and if you want another dad talk, subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.
Shine.